Everyone could use a little extra cash, but it can be challenging to find the easiest ways to make money. In this video, you will learn some simple ways to make money quickly. But first, don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more helpful videos coming soon. If you're willing to put in the time and effort, there are many ways to make money. Here are 6 popular ideas to try. 1. Offer outdoor handyman services. There are always outdoor small jobs to be done for locals in your area, whether it's weeding the garden, mowing the lawn, painting, or power washing the house. Some people would rather pay you than handle physical work outside themselves. If you enjoy working outdoors, there's undoubtedly a market around your area for these types of jobs and more. 2. Become a pet sitter or a dog walker. If you love pets, then you might consider offering your services as a pet sitter or a dog walker when family or neighbors travel. Your responsibilities are quite simple, and you're doing important work to help others too. 3. Deliver food or groceries. By now, everyone has heard of vehicle ride-sharing apps or food delivery service apps. It's a simple concept. You pick up a customer's food for them and deliver it. One benefit is the flexibility to decide exactly when you want to pick up a job or two, making it easy to earn a little extra money every month when you have time. 4. Host a garage sale. Hosting a garage sale solves 2 problems at once by helping you bring in some cash and ridding your home of unnecessary clutter. You've probably got quite a bit piled up that you no longer use, clothes you've outgrown, CDs you used to listen to, or books you'll never read again. Why not take those things and convert them into cash? Remember, just because you don't use them anymore doesn't mean someone else in your area won't. Who knows, you might find an item or two buried in your attic that actually has substantial value. You can also easily advertise your garage sale on your local neighborhood groups on social media. 5. Rent out space. If you'd rather not sell your things, you can instead store things for others by renting out space in a home that you own. If you have spare space in your garage or closet, you can rent it out through online platforms. You can also rent a spare room in your home for additional passive income. 6. Get a fast loan. When emergencies arise, sometimes it can help to borrow extra cash fast to handle the situation as quickly as possible. We offer loans that you can qualify for in as little as 30 minutes. The requirements are simple, and you can receive the money as soon as the same day or the very next day. We likely have a store near you. If you need help making ends meet, consider getting started with any of these ways to make money fast. Whether you are offering simple services to others, such as delivering groceries or pet sitting, to selling your no longer needed items, there are many options to choose from. And if you're facing a financial emergency, we could help you get the quick cash you need. Just visit our website and complete the inquiry contact form online to get your loan started today.